Hello and welcome back to HVAC-Calcs. Let's take a look at capacitors. In order to use this file, in order to get this file and use this file, check the description below for all the details. Capacitors. Let's check capacitors. Now here's what it looks like on the iPad. On iPhone, you would just see one panel, this panel on the left, with some tabs. You can click over to these other panels. So how do we test a capacitor? There's a little help thing here to test it while it's running. Let's say we have a 35-5-440 capacitor. Just going to move this out of the way for a second. So we have a 440, (35-5) capacitor. This tells you your range for your tolerance of plus or minus 5%. Now back to our drawing. So now we're going to take some readings. We see it's going to read 4.8 amps and 363 volts. 4.8 amps, and it reads 363 volts while running. And it tells you it passed. That's how many microfarads it's pulling, 3507. And I want to thank, for you people on HVAC Talk, I want to thank Rundog for allowing me to use this drawing that he made. He allowed me to use a couple of his drawings for some of these calculators, so thanks goes out to him. On the capacitor side, here's a couple drawings that shows you capacitors in parallel, and this one's going to show you capacitors in series. And let's say you had two capacitors. You had these two capacitors. You're going to hook them up parallel. Here's going to be your volts, and here's going to be your microfarads. In series, here's your volts, there's your microfarads. And that is basically it. Thanks for watching.